April 14th, 2012, a tornado with no name has my Wichita 1 mile wide, moving 50 miles an hour in South Clifton. It carried Pinaire into the air in Oaklawn. Pearl heard the alarm, wrapped in a blanket and shut the door. Then up she went, down she went, in the rain and wind and hail. Then the house came down in pieces on the ground, and Pearl held on, and Pearl held on. I can't find my glasses, I can't find my cane. Oh Lord, please help me, I'm in terrible pain. And a guardian angel carried Pearl and treated her. Narry, a bone was broken and the stitches did the job. Who was that man? Was it Chris or Christ? Who was the other that carried her with might? Who was the truck driver that stayed by her side that night? The angels had no name, just like tornadoes have no name. Tornadoes have no name. Tornadoes have